Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today we are going to draw and color a hand, a foot with rainbow nail polishes. Let's start. First I draw a hand, starting with a little finger. Then I draw a ring finger like this. Next to it, I draw a middle finger. I draw an index finger. Finally, I draw a thumb like this. I draw a heart ring. Right here, I draw a foot, starting with a little toe. Continue with the remaining toes and toenail. Next, I draw a nail polish bottle. Draw a shape of heart. I continue with a nail file. Draw another bottle of nail polish here. I draw a flower like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow to paint this drawing. Orange, yellow, green, dark green, purple, paint for a ring, red, gray. I use red, orange, and green to paint this shape of heart. I color this part green and orange. Purple. Dark green. Gray. Red. I color this flower yellow and pink. Sky blue. Gray. Dark blue. Finally, I use this cream color to paint the skin. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!